How to fix 502 bad gateway error in Google Chrome Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're facing the error of 502 bad gateway error in Google Chrome on your Android device, then the first thing you want to do is try using Google Chrome in incognito. For that, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then tap on New Incognito tab option. Now, in Incognito tab, you want to check if this problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is clear the cache. For that, tap on these three dots again. Now tap on the option of Delete Browsing Data. Here, select All Time from this drop down. Now tap on the Delete Data option over here. By doing this problem can also be solved. However, if your problem is still not fixed and this problem is only occurring in one device, then you want to restart your device. So go ahead and tap on the restart option. Once the device has been restarted, this problem will be fixed, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.